First, we will simplify. I will change square root to power form. So this is equal integral of x to power 1/2. And in parentheses, we have 2x minus 1. And our integral is with respect to x. Next, we can do multiplication. So we have to copy integral symbol. And we have x to power 1/2 times 2x. The coefficient 2 we have to just copy, and we have the same base, x and x. If there is no power written, there is always invisible 1. So we have 1 here. When we have the same base, we have to copy the base and we have to add exponent. 1/2 plus 1 is 3/2. And we have minus x to power 1/2. Everything is with respect to x. When we have integral of difference, we can rewrite this to difference of integrals. So we have integral of 2x to 3/2 power minus, with respect of course, don't forget, x minus integral of x to power 1/2 with respect to x. This is equal. Now we can use integral of power function. Let me remind you this formula when we have integral of x to power n with respect to x. This is equal x to power n plus 1 over n plus 1. And because we have indefinite integral, we have to add constant c. This formula is when n is different than -1. So we have first integral, we have constant number, we have integral of constant, we have to copy this constant first, and next we have to substitute to this formula. N is equal 3/2. So we have x to power 3/2 plus 1 over 3/2 plus 1 plus constant, because this is first integral, we have constant c1 minus, and now n is equal 1/2. So we have x to power 1/2 plus 1 over 1/2 plus 1 plus constant c2. Now we will put first expression with x's. So we have 2 times x to power, we have 3/2 plus 1. We can change 1 to fraction, so it will be 2/2. So the power will be 5/2. Denominator will be the same, 5/2. Minus, we have x to power 1/2 plus 1. So it will be 3/2 over 3/2 plus, we have constant c1 and c2. We can change this to constant c. So this is equal. We have 2, and because we have division and we have fraction, so we have to flip this fraction. So it will be 2 times 2/5 times x to power 5/2 minus, and again we have to flip this fraction, so it will be 2/3 times x to power 3/2. This is equal. We will have 4/5, and because we have at the beginning square root, we will change exponent form to radical form. So it will be, let me rewrite this first, x to power 5 and everything to power 1/2 minus 2/3 times x to power third to power 1/2, and I forgot here put plus constant, so this is equal. We have to add always constant when we have indefinite integral, so this is equal 4/5, and we have square root of x to 5th power minus 2/3, and we have square root of x to 3rd power plus constant c. This is my solution.